In this module, we will learn about the key web controls in ASP.NET, the building blocks of every web form. You will see how to take input, display data, and handle button events. Web controls are ASP.NET's version of dynamic HTML elements. They are processed on the server and the output is sent as HTML to the browser. Controls like text box, button, and grid view make interactive pages easy to create. ASP.NET offers several input controls. The text box is for typing input. Drop down list is for selection. Checkbox for yes, no, and radio button for single choices. To show messages or output on the page, use display controls like label and image. Labels are often used to show success messages or results from the user actions. When a user clicks a button, ASP.NET raises an event on the server. You can handle this event using a simple method in the code behind file. Here is an example where the button click displays a welcome message. Data controls allow you to show and manage data from your database. Grid view is the most common one. It can automatically create tables, edit, and delete records. To display data, simply bind a data table to the grid view. The grid view automatically creates columns for you. Later, we will connect it to SQL Server using ADO.NET. The repeater control gives full HTML control. You define how each row appears using templates. It's perfect for custom card layouts or reports. For practice, build a simple form that takes a name and displays it in a label. Then add a grid view and show a list of sample employees. In the next module, we will use everything we have learned to build our first real project, an employee management system with login, dashboard, and reports. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find these lessons helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. You can also explore more tutorials on my channel ASP NET and SQL Academy. We also support charity work through this channel. If you wish to contribute, you can scan the UPI QR code shown on the screen or send your support to UPI ID. Your small help keeps these tutorials free, continuous, and growing. Thank you for learning with us, and thank you for supporting the mission. God bless you.